In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly add a new page in Confluence, a versatile collaboration tool that helps teams to organize their work. Whether you're new to Confluence or just need a refresher, this guide will walk you through each step to help you create a well-structured and informative page. Let's begin from your Confluence homepage. When you're on this initial screen, you'll notice a Create button at the top. This button is your starting point to add new content. Click it, and you'll see a drop-down menu that presents various options. In this menu, select Page. Choosing this option will take you to the page editor where all the magic happens. Once you're in the editor, it's important to start by giving your page a meaningful and relevant title. This title will serve as an identifier for your page, helping others understand its contents at a glance. Choose a title that clearly conveys the purpose of your page. This is not just helpful for you, but also for teammates who might be navigating through multiple pages. Next, utilize the powerful features within the editor to enhance your page. A handy tip is to use keyboard shortcuts to make your editing process more efficient. For instance, pressing Ctrl and the quote key, ba, will let you interact with AI tools in Confluence, which can assist you in creating smarter content. Additionally, typing a /wa will open up a menu to insert various elements like tables, images, and more directly into your page. This can greatly enrich the content and make it more engaging. Moreover, Confluence offers a wide range of templates that can further streamline your page creation process. By clicking on All Templates, you can browse through and select a template that best matches your needs. Templates in Confluence are predefined pages that can serve as frameworks, potentially saving you time and effort as you build out your page. You can also customize and tailor these templates to better fit the specifics of your project or topic. If you prefer importing content from other sources, Confluence makes it easy to bring in existing documents. You can import templates from Microsoft Word, Google Docs, or OneDrive directly into your page. This is particularly useful if you have detailed or formatted content already prepared, allowing you to seamlessly integrate it into your Confluence workspace. Once you've set up your page to your satisfaction, the final step is to make your work available to your team. Click on the Publish button. This action will save your page and make it visible to anyone with access to your Confluence space. Published pages can be edited at any time, so feel free to return and make adjustments as needed. And there you have it. You've successfully added a page in Confluence. By following these steps, you ensure that your content is clear, organized, and easily accessible to your team.